What up, YouTube? Big TOXXIC back at it again. Finna show you guys a real quick how-to video on how to change the inside door handles to your Cadillac DeVille's and Fleetwoods. Real simple. If you get the door panels off and you see them rusted, they cheap enough, go ahead and replace them. So we're gonna get to it real quick. Like, subscribe to the channel. Check out the intro. We're gonna show you how to do this. Quick video. Yes, sir. All right, now to do this, you're gonna need 2 rivets, rivet gun, and a drill, because usually these are riveted in, so you actually got to drill out the rivets to get the door handle to come out. So I'm gonna show you what that's gonna look like. I already got mine drilled out, but I'm gonna show you where they are, and we're gonna go ahead and install this. All right, so this is the door handle on the inside of the door panel. Now, with this in place, you're gonna have a rivet here you're gonna have to drill out, and then if you look on the bottom, there's another one that I drilled out. But once you drill that out, you literally just gonna pop this out. You're gonna have to disconnect this cable right here. And can I do it with one hand? Maybe, possibly. There you go. That's simple to get that off. And when you see it all rusted like this, let's say if you're gonna put a system or something in your car, just go ahead and get some new ones and change them out. So I got these from Amazon, and if I ever figure out how to put the link in the description, I'll go ahead and put it in. But see this fresh, brand new. So what you're gonna do is, while this is still off, we're just gonna go ahead and connect the cable that was on the old one. Inside here, you can see that real quick. So the cable is gonna go back inside there, and then we're gonna put it right back on the door and rivet it in. So let me go ahead, I can't do this with the phone, but let me go ahead and put this cable on, and then I'll hit you right back. All right, just like that. We went on, connected the cable real quick. Now you just slide it back into the grooves right there. You should have, oh, wrong one. Slide it into the grooves right there. See those 2 grooves that it go in. All right, about there. And now that they locked in place, you can test it out. So you go ahead and pull that. See, now it's unlocking. Is that simple. So now we're gonna just rivet it in place. So let me get the rivets in, and then I'll show you what we're doing. Now, after you get everything done, you're gonna have a nice, clean, new door handle. That's simple. So when you get to them, get time to replace, I still got to put a rivet up there. But if you can replace them, go ahead and replace them. Like I said, they're only a few bucks on Amazon. Eventually, I'll post a link once I figure out how to do it. And then you guys are good to go. So keep your Fleetwoods up, homie.